How to turn off Glider Redeploy in Fortnite Creative. This is the updated version. So as you guys can see right here, I have it on. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to turn it off. This is super easy and a simple tutorial. So what you have to do first is go in your island settings. Then once you're in your island settings, you have to go to the fourth option right here. So your overview mode, round, player. Then once you're in player, you have to click on the third option. So locker, controls, local motion. You have to click on this one right here. Then once you click on that, you have to scroll down. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And as you guys can see, I have Glider Redeploy on. I'm gonna just turn that off. Now if I go back, now I'm back on top, I click on space, I don't have it on. So that's how you turn off Glider Redeploy in Fortnite. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.